All right, how's everybody doing today on this beautiful Sunday afternoon? Out for a little ride. It's not 100 degrees today. We're here at the Great Western Furnace. I shouldn't say we, I am. There's the history on it right there. You want to pause that and read about it. So they were making iron. Pretty cool. That's the actual furnace right there. Pretty wild. Pretty wild. I just went up to the buffalo pen, but apparently the bison are out taking a nap today. They must be out in the woods. I didn't see any. This thing's pretty damn big. Very cool. I'm assuming that must have been a clean out. So there's something up there, I can't read it. Brian Newell. Isn't that amazing? The old ways of getting things done. Gorgeous day here in Tennessee today. Here's a look at it from the other side. Got it blocked off. That is some massive stone. Very cool. Alright, I just thought I would share my little day trip with you. Down there is where the bison hang out, but there's none around today. They're probably in the woods in the shade. If I was a buffalo, that's where I'd be. So there it is. That's the Great Western Furnace. Alright, that's it. Let me get back on the scooter, get back to riding.